Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to add scrolling text in CapCut using your mobile device. So let's get started. First, open your CapCut app on your mobile device. Then, choose a project that you working on. At the bottom, tap the text icon. Tap Add Text. Then, type your text. Once you are done, tap the check button. Now, at the beginning of your text, add your first keyframe. After that, add a second keyframe at the end of the text. Then, drag it going to up. Now, just play it to see the result. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.